In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall or remove Foxit PDF Reader from your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should be the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to remove this program, you need to go to Control Panel shortcut here. Click on it to open. However, if you don't have the Control Panel shortcut program on your computer, don't worry, just go to Start menu down below, and from Start menu just search for Control Panel, and here it is. Just tap on it to open. So these are programs under this Control Panel. Look for Programs and Features option. If you click on this will list all the programs that are installed on your computer. From the list, now you can search for Foxit PDF Reader. So if I scroll down, you can see we have our Foxit PDF Reader program here installed on our computer. Now, to uninstall this program, you can just click on it, and you should see now we have an option to uninstall or change or even repair it from here. To uninstall it, proceed and tap on Uninstall, and this will remove the program by confirming that you want to uninstall. You can also uninstall the program by just right clicking on it and then click on Uninstall from here. And now you have to confirm that indeed you are sure that you want to uninstall this program. By clicking on yes, this will remove the program together with its files. So I'll click on yes here, and now you can see this will remove the program together with its files.